So before we proceed with the video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and click on the bell notification. And let's jump right into the video. So today we are gonna unbox a barcode scanner from Zebra, which is the model DS2208. So without further hesitation, let's jump right into it. So here, we got ourselves a USB cable, which we are using it to connect the barcode scanner to a device that are able to use it. Next is the barcode scanner base holder, which is the base of the holder. Then, this is the barcode scanner holder. It is where you're gonna mount or place your barcode scanner when not in use. Next up, it's the barcode scanner itself, the Zebra DS2208 barcode scanner. So, what can we find in the box? We got ourselves a quick startup guide. So right now, I'm gonna teach you on how to install the USB cable into the barcode scanner. So we're gonna take this USB, let's place this right into it, and you're good to go. The barcode scanner holder with its base. Just slide it into here and screw it in. And there you go. That is how you screw the barcode scanner holder with the base. And that's how you mount your barcode scanner at a barcode scanner holder. So there you go. I hope you like this video, and see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.